focus back to the northern part of India. High drama was witnessed once again in UP's Noida as protesting farmers tried to move towards the national capital as a part of their Delhi Chalo rally. Targeting the centre, the agitating farmers have renewed their demands related to minimum support prices, loan waivers and pensions for farmers. Dramatic visuals emerged from Noida's Mahamaya flyover as members of Bharat Kisan Parishad began their march that led to a scuffle with the policemen. As a preemptive measure, the Noida cops had already barricaded the route, leading to an intense face-off between them and the farmers. Here's a report from earlier today.
Right now you can see the scuffle between the police and farmers has started because police is being pushed aside by the farmers and they're trying to break barrier. As they're trying to move towards Delhi, somewhere the police has failed to stop them. Here you can see they have broken the barrier and they have pushed aside police personnel. And right now you can see the scuffle between the police and the farmers here is continuing. And right now see farmers have finally moved ahead from this area from Mahamaya. They are moving towards Delhi. Administration has tried its level best to stop them from going to Delhi, but for time being, they have just been able to push aside cops and they have started moving towards Delhi where they are raising slogans, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. And here right now you can see they have been able to push aside police. So right now once again, the police is trying to stop them because men in khaki who had created a wall, they were holding rope in their hand. They were trying to, let's see once again, the police is trying to stop them by asking them to stop, but they are not listening to, no, they are just moving ahead. And now again you can see somehow the police has been able to stop them. We saw that because police doesn't want anybody to take order. Kisan leader is asking them to stop here, don't proceed further. And again, once again you can see the police has created a kind of a wall trying to prevent these farmers from moving ahead. Right now they are sitting on road and they are sitting on dharna. Right now they are sitting on protest dharna. They demand that their demands need to be fulfilled.
Another group of farmers from Uttar Pradesh had come to Noida in tractors to join the march. However, they were stopped by the policemen. Delhi cops, working in tandem with their Noida counterparts, had barricaded key routes from Noida leading to Delhi, including highway at Chilla and Delhi-Noida direct flyover. Today's protest rally came in the backdrop of similar protests by the Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. Another farmers' union will reportedly launch another protest rally in the national capital on the 6th of December. Here is what they are demanding.
10% प्लॉट के लिए
जी
और
हमें तो 5% भी न मिले पहले सबने बेच खाए अपने 5% पहले 5% भी न मिले हमें तो जो 5% समय मिला
10% को इन्होंने कितनी बार घोषणा कर दी कितनी बार हमसे आश्वासन दे दी
हमारी डिमांड है हमारा 10% का माफ दो हमारा ये डिमांड है हमारी हमारे सड़क पर पड़े क्यों पड़े
हमारी मांग है 10% प्लॉट चाहिए नए कानून को रेट चाहिए आबादी चाहिए जो शासन से पास है सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऑर्डर कर रखा 10% पे जब नहीं दे रहे लोग ये
The drama surrounding the protest rally evoked sharp political reactions. Congress leaders attacked the Modi-led central government, saying that the establishment is trying to quell the right to protest and escape from its responsibilities.
लेकिन किसान जो मांग लेकर आ रहे हैं सरकार को तुरंत उनसे बातचीत करनी चाहिए इसका समाधान निकालना चाहिए क्योंकि उनकी मुख्य मांग है जो उस टाइम भी बात चर्चा हुई थी कमेटी भी बनी थी कमेटी की रिपोर्ट कोई नहीं आई कि भाई एमएसपी को कानूनी गारंटी दी जाए वो मुख्य मांग है उनकी देखिए प्रजातंत्र में तो सबका अधिकार है सबकी बात सुननी चाहिए बातचीत से समाधान निकालना चाहिए हाँ कोई कानून हाथ में ले वो उस पर कार्रवाई करो
देखिए पहली बात तो है सरकार के इस फैसले के मैं खुद खिलाफ हूँ किसान हमारा अन्नदाता है और अन्नदाता कभी किसी के साथ ज्यादती या गलत काम नहीं करता नंबर 2 पार्लियामेंट का सेशन चलता रहेगा पार्लियामेंट के अंदर थोड़ा घुसना उन्होंने सरकार उनसे बात करे डेमोक्रेसी में बातचीत से ही हर समस्या का हल निकलना चाहिए और निकलता है तो सरकार अपने किए हुए वायदे से भाग रही है मतलब पहली बार है कि सरकार इश्यूज की बजाय भाग रही है विपक्ष चाहता है बहस करना सरकार चाहती है हाउस एडजर्न करना
Rebutting all these allegations of unilateralism, Union Minister Chirag Paswan has defended the Modi government. He says that centre has always been open to dialogue with the agitating farmers. He went on to cite the repealing of 3 farm laws in 2021 to advocate government's commitment towards farmers' well-being.
देखिए, सरकार पूरी तरीके से किसानों की बात सुनने के लिए, उनसे बातचीत करने के लिए तैयार है, पर ये बार बार इस तरीके से सिर्फ मार्च करना, ये करना, पिछली बार भी जिन कानूनों पर उनको ऐतराज़ था, सरकार ने बिना किसी शर्त के, बिना किसी उसके उनको विड्रॉ करने का काम किया। ये सरकार की सोच, सरकार की नीयत को दर्शाता है कि पूरी तरीके से किसानों की भावना के साथ हमारी केंद्र की एनडीए सरकार काम करने का प्रयास कर रही है। पर ऐसे में बातचीत का रास्ता जब सरकार ने हमेशा से खोल के रखा है, तो मुझे लगता है पहले बातचीत होनी चाहिए।
That's all we could pack for you in this broadcast. Thank you for watching.